total bondo, sir. I am so sorry.
Guys, this man is so famous, right? Just look at the crowd. It's insane. People, they come here to try his paratha as well as to... Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Guys, right now I'm at a place called Sialda, right? And if you go this way, guys, you will reach to the Sialda station, right? So today I'm here to show you a very viral man. His name is Raju Da, and he serves, street breakfast, right? So it's basically a very unique paratha with some spicy curry. So let's go, guys, and just see the crowd from here, guys. People are just so crazy to eat this breakfast. Let's go. And guys, if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please subscribe. So let's go. Right guys, so here we are. Just look at this crazy line, guys. They all are waiting here to try his unique paratha that he serves here, right? Look guys. And guys, just look at the people here, guys. They all have phones in their hand, right? And they are shooting this man here. His name is called Raju Da. It's crazy. And guys, just look at this crazy line. It's insane. And this is the subway that he sits, here, because he doesn't have a permanent, spot. This is the subway, guys. Here we are, guys. See, everybody has phone in their hand, and they're all shooting this brother. Good morning, brother. Malo acho? You're fine, guys. He's very busy, so let's not bother him. But guys, this one is called the paratha, and the very a good thing about this paratha is that he doesn't use any oil. It's oil free, right? And this is the curry. It's insane, guys. Look, he catches the train and he brings the food in the train. So that's how it is, guys. Look, this brother comes from very far, right? With this giant, pots of curry and paratha, right? Guys, this man is so famous, right? Just look at the crowd. People, they come here to try his paratha as well as to meet this person, right? His name is Raju Da. He's so well known here in Kolkata, right? So sometimes people, they wait here for hours to take a selfie with him, right? Everywhere you see, you only see cameras, right? And you see the line. They all are waiting to try his paratha and speak to him, make video with him, take a selfie with him. That's crazy, guys. And it's a very humble person, He does what he does, right? Well, he comes from so far, bringing this huge pot of, paratha and curry, right? So he wakes up at 3, 4 in the morning, and by the time he gets here, the crowds are already here, right? That's how it is, guys. What he does, I don't think everybody can do it, right? He takes a train, takes him about an hour and a half to get here, right? To a place called Sialda, right? And he does what he does. He's feeding so many people, right? That's crazy. So guys, basically, he's saying, don't block that passage, right? That subway passage, right? Because that's the public, passage. So he had many objections, right? So that's how it is, guys. So that's what he was saying in Bengali, right? something. Just imagine, people are asking selfie, serving alone to so many people, and they are still waiting in the line, right? That's crazy, guys. This can be so hectic, This can seriously be so hectic, Yeah.
চারটে পোর্টের ডিম দাদা ভাই 50 টাকা এইদিকে
They're requesting the public to not block the passage, right? That's how it is. Seriously, guys, this man is just so famous out here, right? So everybody has camera in their hand, right, or phone, and they're all just so busy shooting this guy, right? His name is Raju Dar, right? Yeah. He's like the local celebrity out here, right? Who sells paratha and curry. That's crazy, guys. Yeah, I mean, that's how it is, guys,
তিনটে পোর্টে 100 টাকা কিন্তু একটা ডিম দাদা দুটো করে পোর্ট হবে, এখন দুটো করে পোর্ট হবে। পাঁচটার টোটাল বন্ধ স্যার, আই এম সো সরি। টোটাল বন্ধ, পোর্ট পেরাই শেষের মুখে পেরাই।
Guys, this guy is about to run out of the paratha, right? So right now the time is something about 9:34 in the morning, right? And he comes 7 in the morning, right? Sorry, he reaches the spot 7 in the morning, but he brings this pot of curry and paratha 3 in the morning by catching a local train, right? For him to get here, it takes about 2 hours in the train. It's just so hardworking, man. Salute to this brother, Yeah, guys.
এক জায়গায় অনেক হয়ে যাবে মা, ছটা পোর্ট অনেক ভালো হয়ে যাবে। আপনার লাইনের ব্যবস্থা আছে স্যার? ওটা লাইন, এটাই লাইন। আর হবে না স্যার, লাইন দিয়েও লাভ নেই, হবে না। সকাল যদি 10-12টা লাগে।
Guys, he has very limited paratha at the moment, right? So he's about to run out, and just look at the crowd. I don't think everybody is gonna get his paratha. They need to come tomorrow early morning, right? That's how it is, guys. Right, guys, so that was it, right? Me trying to show you the viral paratha man here in Kolkata, right? I really hope you enjoyed the vlog, guys. The crowd is just insane, just look. The crowd is insane. I will see you in my next vlog. Let's make memories, love, peace, and please subscribe, guys.